doing mortise by hand is not that complicated. This is like a small piece of, I don't know, garden thing. I decided to do a little bit mortise and tenon stuff. I don't need like a very precise mortise. I just want to have some kind of a mortise, and I can do it in each of them in less than 5 minutes. And if you're just starting with mortising, I really recommend you check the Paul Seller's video. He made a really great video how to do mortises, like what is the operations. I'm basically following that approach. I think I spent more than 5 minutes, yeah. This